When you have an emergency roof issue in Riverside South, the Precision Roofing team is available 24/7 to help. We provide fast, reliable emergency roofing services to promptly address roof damage. Our expert roofing contractor team handles everything from minor leaks to major storm damage. We offer temporary solutions to prevent further water damage before starting permanent roof repair. With over 10 years of experience, we ensure quality work and customer satisfaction. Trust us to protect your home with prompt and professional care. A sudden roof problem can be stressful, especially when it happens at the worst possible time. Whether it's a leak after a storm or unexpected damage, you need help fast. For homeowners in Riverside South, Precision Roofing offers reliable and prompt emergency roofing services. We understand the urgency of an emergency roof situation and are ready to respond 24/7. Our focus is on providing high-quality repairs and giving you peace of mind when you need it most.